to our channel. It's the J Squad.
My name is Juanito,
And my name is Joanny.
and today we'll be trying the new lunch
Leaf
from
HEV. Jake Paul. This is what the box looks like.
and this is what it comes with: a Prime, a Mr. Beast Feastable, and nacho. And so let's try it. Open it.
How do I open this stupid?
Holy crap!
Hey, wait for me here.
Oh.
Yo, we got the Feastable right here.
Open it.
Oh, my Prime. We got Prime, boys. We got Prime. Okay, so we got strawberry and banana Prime.
Yeah, it says it. How does he know?
Can you open this for me, Mama? The front says leave no crumbs. Why do we have to leave no crumbs?
That's the best thing ever.
Mama,
So this is the
it
sauce.
has the sauce from HEV. Smell it. Smell the sauce.
So it comes with the sauce, the chips, and the Feastable.
Okay, let's do it. Wait. I like my cheese drippy, bruh.
I love my cheese drippy, bro. Man.
Bro. Mmm.
10 out of 10.
Messed up.
A Mr. Beast Feastable food. It says Feastable on it. Milk chocolate.
Ah.
You eat it? Look, hey, you're milking. You gonna eat it?
I rate it 6 out of 5. Give me one. Give me one.
I rate this a 10 out of 10. We need to buy more of these.
We got Prime, boys. We got Prime. Ah. You want me to open it?
Some Beast.
Yeah. You like it? Is it good? Yeah.
Oh, that's banana and strawberry.
Whoa!
Right, cheers.
I love you, Mr. Beast. Jake Paul and KSI and Mr. Beast.
So don't forget to like and subscribe and
And hit that notification bell. Bye. Papa, you want one?